Welcome to our India News Hour. CMOs need to find a balance between technology and humanity. In a world with rapidly advancing technology and changing customer attitudes, the CMO's role is an important one, making it key to stay agile, adaptive, and relevant while meeting the customer and marketing needs. With more technology available than ever before, CMOs must bridge the gap between marketing and tech to forge connections with customers and reap success for their brands. They are navigating and owning the increasingly digital, social, and ubiquitous customer experience. The CMOs of 2021 have a valuable opportunity to redefine their place in the C-suite and chart their own creative yet informed path towards continued growth and innovation. It is time for the senior leadership of the organizations around the world to transform and meet the demand of the user to have better experience. It is a testing time for the role of the CMO. One of the most important things CMOs can do is remain agile, lean in, and embrace digital technology. The COVID-19 pandemic forced digital transformation to happen overnight. CMOs must adjust their mindset and working practices to achieve a more collaborative role and work with teams to embrace rapid change and ease any concerns. Consumers are now interacting with brands in different ways and are finding value in digital channels more than ever. As society continues to deepen its connection with technology and devices, the ability for CMOs to deliver future experiences will be finding the perfect balance between technology and humanity. COVID Watch. India records more than 2 lakh fresh COVID-19 infections in 24 hours. The country is facing a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases with more than 1,000 deaths recorded on Thursday, according to the Central Health Ministry. Amidst concerns of crumbling health infrastructure, a government panel issued a statement assuring people that there were a sufficient supply of medical oxygen in the country. Let's look into this hour's headlines in War India. Citibank to shut its retail banking operations in India. In a sudden move, Citibank has announced that they will shut its retail banking operations across 13 nations including India, stated by Citigroup CEO Jane Fraser in a release. Explaining the reason behind this move, Jane said, "While the other 13 markets have excellent businesses, we don't have the scale we need to compete. It seems that as part of their non-US operations, they will only concentrate on 4 wealth hubs, that is Dubai, Hong Kong, Singapore and London. They will focus more on the wealth management services in these regions." MediaTek launches 7nm Dimensity 700 5G chipset in India. MediaTek has launched a new 5G smartphone chipset called Dimensity 700 5G in the India market. The 7nm SoC is designed to bring advanced 5G capabilities to its advanced camera capabilities and power-efficient design. The company also announced Realme as the first smartphone brand in India to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. The MediaTek Dimensity 700 brings the power of 5G to the India market, Anku Jain, Managing Director, MediaTek India, said in a statement. Upstack raises $50 million for enhancing its platform. The New York startup Upstack has built a platform to help the businesses evaluate how to grapple with next steps. It has announced a funding round of $50 million that it will be using to continue building out its platform and expanding its services business. It is providing tools to large enterprises, government organizations, and smaller businesses to compare offerings and plan out pricing for different scenarios covering a range of IT areas, including private, public, and hybrid cloud deployments. Crypto exchange CoinSwitch-Kuber sees a huge growth in India. CoinSwitch-Kuber is that crypto exchange platform which enables the Indian crypto users to go through the trading process in a seamless way. Ashish Singhal, CEO and co-founder of CoinSwitch, claims to have over 4 million users in India and is targeting to cross 10 million users by the end of 2021. Even as Indian law remains unclear on cryptocurrency, the platform had launched an advertising campaign to popularize crypto investments in India. Through the ad, the company is seemingly looking to convey the ease of crypto investments on its platform. Dell introduces new Inspiron range of laptops. Dell has announced its Inspiron series of laptops featuring both Intel 11th Gen Intel Core CPU and AMD Ryzen 5000 mobile CPU options. It comes with lid-open sensors and optional Windows Hello login via fingerprint reader, which will enable faster logins. The Inspiron 16 Plus laptop is powered by 11th Gen Intel Core H series processors, and it can be configured with a discrete NVIDIA GTX and RTX GPU. That's it for this hour. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.